Hey friends, and welcome to my bathroom. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how I do a really fun eye makeup look that's perfect for fall using Wander Beauty's brand new eye makeup palette. They also sent over an amazing eyeliner, a liquid eyeliner, and also an eyebrow brush, which I can't live without. As you can see, I have nothing on my eyes currently, but the rest of my makeup is done. So let's get some eye makeup on. Let's do it. All right, so as you can see, everything is done except for the eyes. So this is how I like to start. So this is the Wondrous Rush from Wander Beauty, brand new. And I love these colors because they're super fall-y. They're very versatile. So you could be loud, you could also be super muted tones. These kind of like purplies are really beautiful, especially if you have green eyes. It really helps bring out green eyes. So I've been wearing this daily. I'm a really big fan. So the first thing that I like to do is just, I'm only using 2 brushes. I happen to have a lot more brushes than 2, but these are the 2 that I use most often. And they're the only 2 that I think you ever really need. One is a fluffy eye blender brush from e.l.f. and the other one is the Morphe M431. I feel like a makeup artist now, look at me. All right, so I like to get started with the lightest color. So I'm just gonna put a little bit of this charge color just to give an overall nice glow and sheen. Okay, and you can really do so much here. I'm not a makeup artist. I'm all about quick, fast makeup. But this palette really is versatile and I really enjoy it. The next thing that I like to do is take the darkest color now, which is this one here, which is Swift. And I'm using kind of like a pointier, smaller brush. And I'm just gonna line the lids a little bit. So you see just kind of right here. Sort of start a little higher and work your way in. I don't go all the way to the end, but I just sort of like that. You'll see, we'll blend it all at the end. I'm big into blender. I don't like when anything looks like sharp or blonde or too makeupy. I like it when it just looks very cohesive and natural. Okay. So that's just a little liner, and then I could also do a little bit, I usually do a tiny bit underneath, just in the corners, and that helps like just pull out and elongate your eyes. Next, we're gonna do some all around color, which is this kind of lightish purple, OTW. I don't know if that's supposed to stand for something. It's probably some sort of millennial term, which I don't know, and I feel old. So if you guys know what that means, drop it in the comments and let me know. Cool. I feel like I should know that. On the way, maybe, OTW? That probably works, on the way. That actually makes sense because Charge, Blitz, OTW, like on the way, Swift, Avenue, and Hustle. So it totally makes sense, so call me an idiot. But I figured it out, I think. Or I'm totally wrong. Okay, so the way I put that OTW color on, I always go in like a triangle, so like this. That's always the motion. Go around inside this crease and then like pull it down. Crease, pull it down. Crease, pull it down. And that also helps elongate. I never want to put too much color there. You're trying to open and broaden the eyes. And this literally takes 5 seconds. So even if sometimes I just even use like leftover that's on my brush from the day before. If I'm in a rush but still want a little something. And I'll just kind of do that in motion where it's like in the crease and then pull it down. Crease, pull it down. Okay, I get really out of breath when I'm pregnant. I don't know why I'm out of breath. Then, to make it a little bit extra fancy, if you're doing something fun today or want to dress it up, otherwise I would just kind of leave it like this. Sometimes I would take this, the bright color that we use first, Charge, this one, and just put it right in the center here. This I would do more for like every day. So you're right in the center, which pulls your eyes up and forward. So you just kind of like pulls them out. But if you are looking to jazz things up a little bit and want to add some extra sparkle or fancy pants or going somewhere, you could use one of these too. Sometimes I'll just use like a little bit of the pink and just put like a tiny bit, just like right there. Just to have a little bit of color right in the center area. Just a little. Real quick, let me just show you these eyebrows because this is the greatest thing in the world. Again, Wander Beauty. I die for a brush, a tinted eyebrow brush. I always start over here because I don't like when it gets too dark over here. I like when it starts very gradually and then goes out. So I put most of the color in the center and the end, and then the leftover. I'll just very carefully and like quickly brush the fronts. But you see what a crazy difference it makes? It's insane. I just brush up and down. I happen to have insane, crazy eyebrows that need to be tamed. So this stuff has been a game changer. I really love it. I really love it, and I love the color. So as you see, I start right here. I go up and down, and then with the remaining, take it over there. Wow, makes such a difference. It's crazy. This is my trickier brow. I have like a little bit of a baldy guy over there, but it's cool. Okay. You see what a difference it makes when you're just like groomed? It stays in place. I love this eyebrow color and gel. All right, beautiful. Next up, I'm going to use some mascara. This is not Wonder Beauty, but it's a good one. She's honest. I think Wonder Beauty does make their own, but I'm not using it right now. Okay, so I'm just gonna curl my lashes, which always makes a huge difference. And before I do this, if you wanted to do an eyebrow or an eye pencil, I'll show you this new one from Wonder Beauty, which I'm loving as well. I don't use it all the time. It takes me a little bit longer to get it perfect. This pen just kind of makes it a lot simpler, but it's the Wonder Beauty liquid eyeliner. It's really cool. It just comes like that. It's literally just like a little marker, and it looks really pretty. I'm nervous to do it here with you guys because if I mess up, but should we try it anyway? Let's do it. Okay. I'm gonna look in this other mirror so I don't totally mess up. Bear with me, friends. So sometimes if you're not as confident with your work, you can do this first and then do your eye makeup after, so that if you mess up, you can fix it with like a wet a Q-tip. Okay, not bad though. Look at me. And this is the kind of thing that gets a lot easier with practice, but it also makes it super easy with this product because it's literally like a pen. Check it. See that? Not pretty, and it just kind of also opens up your eyes and elongates, and just adds another layer of fancy if you are going somewhere special. It's great. I love it. You see the difference? So now the challenge is always completing it on the other side so that it matches. Let's see, hold on. Okay, just pull it along, right along the eyelid. I don't go all the way into the corner of my eye. I just kind of stay. Once I get to the middle point, then I sort of go along the, like really close to the waterline. I don't know why I'm getting so out of breath. I think I'm holding my breath. Don't hold your breath, people. Make sure you're breathing. And you just flick it out like that. Wow, go me. You see, check it out. That was harmless. It doesn't always take me so fast, and I'm happy I was able to do that. But this is an amazing, amazing liquid eye pen. So highly recommend that one. And then to complete this whole beautiful look, I've already curled my lashes. All I'm gonna do is just tap it with some mascara. And we'll be good to go. Now I just gotta find somewhere fancy to go because I'm all dolled up. But as you can see, I didn't put too much eyeshadow on. Obviously, if you're more of an eyeshadow person, or if you're going somewhere super glam, you can amp it up and layer it more. But I really, really, really love this palette, and I really love the eyebrow gel and the liner, like all three of them. They're freaking awesome. I was like shocked that I was like really in love with all of them, and I've been using them daily. So, all right guys, that's it. This is my fall makeup look. I hope you love that. Thanks for watching. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. and let me know what other kinds of videos you guys like. I try to get it all for you, whether it's lifestyle stuff, food stuff, baby stuff, you name it. But lots of baby content coming soon because this mama is 26 weeks pregnant. Insane. That's why I'm out of breath. All right, love you guys. See you later.